do I eat in a day? So typically every morning I eat some cereal because I am exactly like a little kid. Most days it is Enviro Kids with some plant-based milk, usually either soy milk or oatmeal. Oat milk. Or even on a rare occasion coconut milk because it is a treat in my household. And for lunch, I usually like to make myself Asian food, but if I'm working, for lunch I like to make Asian food or pasta. Otherwise, if I have work, it's typically a vegan sandwich, whether it is peanut butter jelly, almond butter jelly, and if I'm at home with my little one, I usually make him a vegetable and a fruit puree, and that takes up the first probably 30 minutes. And then after that, I use whatever is left over from his food for my food. So we all eat together at dinner because it helps promote him to eat with me. Sometimes if he eats by himself first, he will not eat anything. So I noticed if I sit down and put my chair next to his booster, he will actually have a few spoonfuls. Like yesterday, he had peas, and he really enjoyed the peas. I was going to add the peas to my dinner, but I had forgotten. But typically, if he has applesauce, I will also have applesauce. And if he has like another puree where it's like a apple spinach or pear spinach, I will also add that to my meal, whether I'm mixing it into a smoothie for myself. For post-workout snack, I like to do something simple like toast. I don't go all out and make beans or rice. Some people do, but that takes extra time. Because usually for dinner, I like extravagant dinners. So extravagant as in like having 3 pots on the stove all at the same time. Cooking broccoli separately and then frying the onions and the garlic together. And then sometimes having like a vegan pad thai, or even if it's just like sometimes like on Fridays or Saturdays, it's usually like a veggie patty. Unless I'm working. Then sometimes I do end up buying something at work. So typically I like extravagant dinners that I make myself. Sometimes I'll even have a dessert made. I like to bake my own bread and make little rolls. So sometimes I'll make baked rolls, or I'll even bake some like a bowl, like a bread bowl, so I can have soup in it. That usually takes extra time and effort, but I really enjoy the art of cooking most days. Other days when I'm feeling a little lazy, I try and just turn on the crock pot and have a stew. Like yesterday, I actually had a Moroccan stew, and then the day before, I had a spaghetti squash. Or no, it was another type of squash. It was a butternut squash soup, and that was all made in one pot. So first, I grilled the onions and garlic, and then I added the butternut squash to the soup, along with coconut cream, and then some seasonings, and that was very delightful, because once that coconut cream was cooking, it became a little more thicker, and then I put it in the blender, and then added more seasonings after. And my husband, he likes his spicy, so he added us hot sauce, okay? And I think he also added maple habanero seasoning to it as well. That is what I eat in a day. So if you haven't already, please subscribe down below.